Okay guys, let's hop over to my kitchen. Gonna cook some chicken soup. There you have it. That's my little store I'm creating. My son doing some listing for me. Okay, so here is the kitchen. This is where all the cooking go on. Right now I'm cooking up a storm and I'm about to show you what I did today is cook some chicken and chicken foot soup. There you go. My pot with my garlics with water. Put that on the fire first thing first. While I cut off my chicken toes, I clean up my chicken and my chicken feet. So I clean up my chicken feet first thing first. There you go. That's my vegetables. My pumpkin, carrots, corn, and extra. There you go. Chicken feet must be clean. Guys, cut off all your chicken toes. For all the people who don't know about cooking chicken feet, in the middle where the chicken walk on, sometimes you have some dark spot there. Make sure you cut them out. Cut out all dark spot in the middle of the chicken feet. There you go. Cut off all the toes. Yep. Clean them up. Nice and clean. Then you wash them under the pipe. Wash them clean. And then you wash them again with hot water. I have to wash my meat with hot water. If I don't wash them with hot water, they don't feel like they clean. So I have to wash them off with hot water. Put them in the pot. Let them start cook. Then I clean up my corn. Need my dumpling. I make my dough. It's my cornmeal dumpling. I use whole wheat flour and cornmeal to make my dumpling. There you go. Put some salt. Just a little tip of salt to make the dough. Hot water. There you go. So that's what the dough look like when you finish making it. Then start getting your dumpling together. That's how you make the dumplings. There you have it. That's the real yard style dumpling. You guys, chicken soup without dumpling is no soup. Okay, so what I do next, I let my chicken foot cook halfway. Then I add my corn and my dumplings. So right in that pot, you have garlic, corn, dumpling, and chicken foot. Remember, the chicken foot have to cook halfway. Then I clean up my chicken, take off all the skin and the fat. I cut them all off. Clean them up real nice. Wash them with cold water. And then you wash them with hot water. As I said before, I like washing my meat with hot water. Then I start getting my vegetable ready. My pumpkin, I clean it up, wash it, cut it up. My carrot, clean up my carrots, wash them and cut them small. That's my pumpkin. So that's how I cut them up. I dice them up. Cut them small. Okay, that's my potato. It's all my vegetable. That's all the vegetable I put in my chicken soup. That's my yam. So you peel it and you cut them up, wash them, cut them up. When you're washing the yam, remember to wash it under running water because the yam will scratch you if you don't wash it under running water. So you gotta be careful with that. Yellow yam. So that's all my vegetable. There you go. There you have it. So I put all my vegetable in the pot. Everything. My yam, carrot, pumpkin, everything. I let that sit there on the fire for a while, like about 5 minutes. Well, after I put in all the vegetable, in about 5 minutes, you let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then you start adding your seasonings. You put the chicken in also. Put the chicken in with the vegetable. You kind of stir the pot a little bit. Getting your soup prepared. And then I put the Maggi all-purpose. The Maggi chicken soup, and cock soup. Is it Maggi or Grace? Grace cock soup. And my pimento, my thyme, and my scallion. Sometimes I put onion in there too, like I cut an onion in two and just put it in. There you go. You stir it up a little, and then there you have it. Just let it cook. Everything is in the pot right now. So you just leave it on the fire. Also get a hot Scotch bonnet pepper, but do not burst it if you don't want it to get hot. You do not burst it. Just put it there, give it a nice flavor. Yep, that's my noodles. So there you have it, guys. My pot is bubbling. Call it simmer down. There you go. Looking good already. Nice chicken, corn, yam, potato, carrots, scallion, thyme, dumpling, noodles, garlic. You stir them all up together. Let it sit there until it looks pretty and the food cook. Starting to get that pretty yellow color. So there you have it, guys. It's all done. Looks awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.